How to add music to Messenger notes. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to make sure that your Messenger application is updated. So for that, go ahead and open App Store in your mobile device. Once you open it up, in the search bar, go ahead and search for Messenger. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, you want to go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So once the application is updated, head back to your home screen and then open Messenger application. Once you open the Messenger application, you want to go ahead and log in to your Messenger account. So once you're logged into your account, simply tap on your note right over here. Go ahead and tap on this music icon. From here, you'll then be able to find all the music available in Messenger. If you don't find the one that you like, you can even go ahead and search for your music in the search bar. Once you are done, go ahead and select it. And once you're satisfied, tap on done. Now you can even share a thought. So once you're done with everything, simply tap on share. And once you tap onto it, you'll then be able to add music on Messenger notes. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.